Okay, so we just did division. So now let's talk about some special cases. I want to show you what happens when you have a negative exponent. All right, so if you're in your journals, we're going to write what happens when we have a negative exponent. Okay, now here's what negative exponents are. Negative exponents are when you have something like this. X to the negative 3 over x to the negative 10. Those are negative exponents. Some of you, if not all of you, have a sibling, either older or younger. Those of you that have a younger sibling, think of it like this. Negative exponents are the bratty little brother or sister running around your house, and they're saying this. Look at me, I'm in the wrong spot. Okay, so a negative exponent is simply in the wrong spot. I'm going to always refer to it as the bratty little kid running around yelling, I'm in the wrong spot. All it means is you can either be on top of the fraction bar or below the fraction bar. He's in the wrong spot, meaning he's up top. He's supposed to be down low. So what I do is wherever it's at, I just move it. And when I move it, it becomes a positive exponent. That's all there is to it. X to the 10th is going to move up because it was on the bottom. Now let's do another one. Let's do x squared over x to the negative 10. All right, so negative 10 is the bratty little kid running around in the wrong spot. X squared, though, is in the right spot. But when I move this one up, it's going to be, instead of division, it's kind of like you're undoing it. It's going to be multiplication. And it would all be over 1, or I could just say x, 2x's here and 10 here. 2 plus 10 would be 12. Now you're probably going, why didn't you simplify that one up there? I will, but I just wanted to show you that it's just in the wrong spot. Negative 10 in the wrong spot, so I simply move it to the top, and then I simplify. Let's go back. This one, we just did division a minute ago. Division, you subtract the exponents, but I'm going to do this because I think it helps you understand it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 x's on top, 3 on the bottom. Anywhere they double up, I cross them off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 x's still on top. Circle it up. All right, so let's try another one. Let's try this. X to the negative 8 y over x to the negative 2 y to the negative 3. All right, so remember, the negative exponent is just the bratty little kid running around saying, look at me, I'm in the wrong spot. So this negative 8 needs to move to the bottom. So x, now it's to the positive 8. Y, he's good. I'm going to leave him right up here on top. X to the negative 2 needs to move up. It's in the wrong spot. It's below. I'm going to move it up. So that's going to be x to the positive 2. Y to the negative 3, boom, needs to move up and become the positive 3. Now, I don't have it in the right order. I've got y, x, y. I need to put all this together. So I'm going to expand it out so I can see what I have. I'm going to put my x first. So I have 2 x's. I have this y and 3 y's here. Down here I have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Anywhere they double up, I need to mark them off. Mark them off, mark them off. That's all I can mark off. So 1, 2, 3, 4 y's up top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 x's on the bottom. And there's my answer. So negative exponents are simply in the wrong spot. So let's take, I'm on the green worksheet if you have it. Let's do this. Let's do 4, this is number 5, 4c to the 8th d to the negative 3 times 5 c to the negative 5 d to the negative 1. All right, and again, this is number 5. Okay, so before I do anything, I'm going to go ahead and put all this together. 4 times 5 is 20. I'm going to mark those off because I've used them. Now, normally I would take this and I would write out 8 C's, but how do I write C -1, -5? I mean, I don't know how to do that. But I know that when I have exponents and I'm multiplying their bases, what do I do with the exponents? I add them together. So my C is going to be 8 plus -5. 8 plus -5 is 3. That means my exponent here is 3. I'm going to mark those off. My D is -3 plus, because I'm adding the exponents, -1. -3 plus a -1 is -4. Okay, now you might be thinking, oh, we're done, look at that. You're not done, because you cannot have negative exponents in your answer. If your answer has a negative exponent, it's going to be wrong. So what I need to try and do is say, well, how do I write this without a negative exponent? Well, remember, negative exponents are the bratty little kid running around. Look at me, I'm in the wrong spot. So draw the line and put it all over 1. Make that fraction bar. So 20 is going to stay put. C to the 3rd is going to stay put. But D to the -4 is in the wrong spot, so we're going to move him down. And it's going to become D to the +4. And there is my answer. All right, so I'm going to stop this video here. I'm going to go straight to the green sheet, and I'm going to do a whole bunch of these.